So section 6.2, if we look at the box, it says, for the function f of x, the notation df over dx denotes the rate of change in f with respect to x. This expresses how f changes in relation to x. It gives the additional value that is expected to be added to f if x is increased by 1 unit. So there's a lot going on there. If we also look at the next bullet points, it says when f is increasing, df over dx is positive. When f is decreasing, df over dx is negative. And when f is not changing, df over dx is 0. So this is similar to the last worksheet with the velocity and the distance. When is that positive? When is that increasing? And so forth. So let's look at number 1. It says the gas mileage M that you get on your car depends on its age, T, in years. Explain the meaning of dm over dt in practical terms. So what dm over dt would mean, this would be the change in the car's gas mileage. Over 1 year. For part B, it says, as your car ages and performance degrades, do you expect dm over dt to be positive or negative? So this would be negative because it's decreasing. The performance is decreasing, so our mileage is going to decrease.